Police love triangle turns ugly. A love triangle involving members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force turned ugly on Tuesday following altercations involving a male constable and two female cops, both of whom are said to have children for him. One of the females, who is assigned to a specialized unit of the force, was allegedly shot by the male constable with whom she was having a romantic relationship. Her injury is not considered life-threatening. The bizarre series of incidents, which culminated with the cop being injured, began at a police station in the corporate area and continued to Old Harbour in St. Catherine just after midnight, when the male cop, who is part of an elite unit, reportedly pulled his weapon and fired 3 shots. A preliminary report indicates that the male cop, who is on vacation leave, went to the Franklin Town Police Station in East Kingston, where he was visited by one of the female constables. While they were there, the other female cop showed up, and that's when things got ugly. A dispute developed between all three, which resulted in the female cop, who arrived last, pepper spraying the other female cop. The dispute was quelled and all 3 cops left the station. However, sometime later, according to the report, the male cop met up with the female constable who had been pepper sprayed and drove her to her St. Catherine home, only to find the other female cop in a car parked at the gate. It is reported that the male cop and the female cop who had been pepper sprayed left and headed for the Old Harbour police station, but were followed by the third. It is understood that after they arrived at the station, the male police noticed that a car being driven by the other female cop approached in a threatening manner. He reportedly pulled his firearm and fired 3 shots into the ground. The female cop who was driving the car towards him reportedly brought the vehicle to a stop and then said that she was hurt. She was later drove to the Spanish Town Hospital for treatment. The Independent Commissioner of Investigations, or INDICO, has launched a probe into the incident.